Hoover stew, named after President Herbert Hoover, emerged as a symbol of resilience during challenging times. This dish, crafted from inexpensive ingredients, allowed families to stretch their limited food supplies, highlighting the need for resourcefulness. Similarly, mock apple pie cleverly used Ritz crackers as a substitute for apples, delivering a sweet treat to those who found real apples prohibitively expensive during the Great Depression. This inventive recipe offered comfort while maintaining affordability. Transitioning from desserts to salads, dandelion salad represented resourcefulness, utilizing wild greens. This nutritious and cost-effective option became a staple for families who struggled to access fresh produce, demonstrating how creativity could meet necessity. As a popular choice, dandelion salad provided a fresh green alternative without straining finances. It typically included ingredients like onions and tomatoes, enriching the dish with additional flavor while remaining thrifty. Potato pancakes, known as loos, gained popularity due to their simplicity and capacity to extend food supplies. This comforting dish offered nourishment during tough times, becoming a beloved favorite among families. Another comforting option, milk toast, came to prominence in the 1930s for its easy preparation. This soothing meal provided warmth and comfort, particularly for children and the sick, representing the essence of home during difficult days. Eggless, milkless, and butterless cake enjoyed widespread popularity in the 1930s, allowing families to indulge in dessert despite ingredient shortages. Its simplicity and resourcefulness made it a cherished choice during the era. Similarly, poor man's meal, made from budget-friendly ingredients like potatoes, onions, and hot dogs, became a staple during the Great Depression. This dish provided a hearty meal while effectively stretching food budgets, showcasing pragmatic cooking. In a clever twist, mock chicken legs, crafted from pork and veal shaped into drumsticks, offered a cost-effective alternative for families craving chicken. This dish allowed them to savor a luxury meal without breaking their budget. Another simple yet nourishing option, peanut butter soup, gained favor among families for its ease of preparation. This dish exemplified the importance of simplicity in cooking while offering comfort and satisfaction during tough economic times. Oatmeal pie emerged as a resourceful dessert, capturing the rich flavors similar to pecan pie while remaining budget-friendly. This beloved treat became a reflection of creativity in cooking and resource management during the Great Depression. Cabbage soup proved essential for its nutritional value and cost-effectiveness, becoming a staple in countless households. It exemplified how families stretched their food budgets, ensuring hearty meals amidst economic hardship. Bread pudding became a cherished dessert in the 1930s, allowing families to minimize waste by utilizing stale bread. This dish creatively transformed everyday ingredients into a comforting treat, delighting many. Mulligan stew, often referred to as hobo stew, represented a communal dish crafted from scavenged ingredients. It symbolized resilience, providing warmth and nourishment to transient communities during challenging times. Lastly, water pie stood out as a unique dessert created with minimal ingredients during the Great Depression. This innovative dish showcased culinary creativity, turning limited resources into a sweet and satisfying experience.